Hello everybody, this is Adurath. Today I thought to give some strategies which I'm using on day-to-day basis for you know uh, doing option trading and actually in the option trading both selling as well as buying. I use this combination to avoid time decay as well as to enjoy the volatility in the market and I have three different things. One is for uptrend. If I consider the market will go uptrend, then I will set the strategy in one form. And if I consider the market will downtrend, and if I say thinking like market will go in sideways, then I will set up in that way. So there are three different strategies, which is similar. Similar. All three are similar, but what I will try to explain in detail so that like in future like whatever the video I'm posting, like I will be showing up like what it out of three like which I'm using it. Since if it is an uptrend, I will use this constant uptrend. The reason why I've chosen this kind of strategies, like in case like if I'm considering this uptrend and enter with uptrend combinations of strategy, in and if it didn't go uptrend rather than it return and it go to downtrend or it makes sideways, then in case of option it will leads to big loss. But with this method I can adjust easily, means we can do easy adjustments, and by that way we can avoid a big loss and we'll try to square up the positions in profit or in minimal loss, not much loss. That's the reason I have chosen this. And I'll try, today is Diwali first, and happy Diwali to everybody. You might have hear some cracker sound at background. Yeah, a lot of people also enjoying with crackers, and yeah, even I do burst crackers and I enjoy crackers. Okay, that's okay. Means anyway, happy Diwali to everybody. Let me go to the topic. First thing is like for uptrend. Okay, in case like, market will go uptrend. If you buy a naked call like how it looks is it will be limited loss. But the problem with naked call is like the thing is it will have the time decay. So in order to avoid the time decay, like I have implemented some strategy. Okay, that's what I am going to show. Okay, and let me show how the call looks like that. Okay, let me go to 25th November current month, and the market is trading around 18,000, sorry, 17,830. I choose 17,800 call, buy lot 1 and add position. Okay, if you, I think this might be known to everybody like who are watching this, like who are investing, but just for your reference I'm showing. See, right, market is at 17,829, and if you see the premium of 273 is it's added from the current market price. And if you see the break even is around 18,073. Okay, here it is. After that only like profit will comes, and 273 points from here. If it didn't go beyond 273, then we will end up in making loss. That's the issue with naked call. So in order to avoid this, like what I am doing it here, like here I'm doing, but actually there is an advantage of buying a naked call. The advantage is like if you can consider like market is really trending and going very fast towards the direction like towards upturn, then naked call will give lot many profit. Consider this is a month which is currently 4th November, and before 20th November, if market really rally and went 1,000 points up, like consider like 890 to 18,890 somewhere around, you will end up in making a profit of 40,000 by investing 13,000, which is like two-third. But this is very rarely occur. And even in case if it rarely acquire, we may not enter and keep the position till it goes up to 18,880,000 points rally until it's very rarely some people catch it up, but generally most of the people won't catch up with such kind of rallies. For that only I am having this strategy. And here, so this one, this kind of strategy, this kind of strategy, this will give the advantage of having buy, as well as advantage of having sell, since it's a combination of both. I have chose to buy 8 lots of 25th November 17800 call, which is 273, trading at 273 premium, and you know and sell 5 lots of 11th November, that is weekly expiry the coming week. Actually, today is Thursday, still it's a holiday, so there is no expiry on this week. The next expiry is 11th, and that's a weekly expiry. I'll be selling the fifth 5 lots of current week expiry, which is trading at around 161. The reason for having this combination is, like, there will be some time decay for this month and 17800 call 273, which will be supplied by this 5 lots of 11th November 2021 17800 call, and it's pricing at 161.60. So whatever the time decay it's happening here will be covered by this. And even, more than time decay, even if during on the expiry of 11th November, if market stayed at the same place like 17,829, then we will end up in making a profit of 13,422, even it stayed. And even if market comes little bit down till till 17,728, which is like 100 points from the current level, by 11th November, still we will not be doing anything. So there is some 100 points gap is there to you know uh, to book the profit. Generally, in case of weekly selling, also we will get the maximum of 161 premium. So 161 points down, we will be covering the premium. That is like 17,829 to 161 points premium. But in this case, we are covering 100 points. We left with only 61. But the problem with naked selling is, in case if it go against your trend, then you will end up in losing big money. As well as, even if it goes towards your trend, you will end up in making only the fixed profit. But in this combination, you will be making good profit. Means, if market really rallies very well, then you will make a good profit. Like in case of 18,800, like 1,000 points rally, which is completely, uh, in rare case, in that case we will making 1 lakh profit. But in case if it goes down also, you have some buffer time, 100 points buffer to change, or to change our mind to withdraw this position. Like in case if we enter here and we come to know, market is reversing and going towards down by 100 points down, still we can close the position. Okay, that's not a big thing. So that's the reason I have chosen this. Okay, you might, I didn't, okay, there might be surprise, like why it is 8, why it is 5, why it can't be other number. Generally, I'm a fan of Fibonacci. So, and I have chosen this number based on Fibonacci, that everybody know, like the Fibonacci numbers are 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and also on. Okay, so I will to choose two nearest Fibonacci number. In this case, I have chosen 5 and 8. In case if you want to choose some different number, like 13 and 8, or 21 and 13, okay, still you can choose it. Here you can put 21. Okay, and so 21 lots to buy and 13 lots to sell of weekly expiry. Let me do that as well. In that case, you might have seen. Let's see the chart how it comes. Okay. Okay, chart still same as, earlier. How it was earlier, the same way it is there. Still we are having same, 100 points. Break even is 17,730 and market is trading at 17,829. So same 100 points the break even is there. And still, if market reverses against our expectations, still we can, uh, we can still make little bit profit. So that's why, I choose any two nearest Fibonacci numbers, and the highest number you have to buy. Okay, and the lowest the recent lowest number, you have to sell the weekly options. If you do that, and the chart will come like this, and this way we can set up the trade for uptrend. Okay, this is the case for uptrend. In case if it goes reversal after entering, then we need to do adjustments. Adjustment nothing, you can you whatever you did it for call, if you do it for put, it will, it change the direction from uptrend to downtrend. And the live example, I will show it in my live trading account. Like I will be posting every day about the trade, what I'm taking, and how I'm doing adjustments, and what I'm doing adjustments, at what price I'm doing it. I mean, it's a kind of live. It's like a on job training, something like they will tell it in IT world. Like you can, whatever the trade I'm doing, like I will, record it and post it here for your reference, so that like what is the trade I'm entering, what kind, whether it is going in the right direction of what we predicted. If it goes in right direction, how we are booking profit, and if it doesn't goes in right direction, and if it is going in the direction which I didn't expect, then what is the adjustment I'm doing, and how I am booking, profit in adjustments, or coming out without much loss. That's what I will post it in going forward. I thought to start this video on Diwali day, since everybody will do some amount of trade on Diwali, Lakshmi Pujan, like even I will do that. And so I thought to, start this my channel first video from Diwali day. So let's see the next strategy. Okay, this is like the same strategy for, downtrend. So here if you have got uh, points what I have told in my in the previous strategy, then this might be easier to understand. Here the same. Okay, month and 18,000, actually it is trading at 18,829, so I have chosen 18,800 strike price, and this is for put. So month and 18,000, 17,000, sorry, 17,800, sorry for that. Okay, actually Nifty was going to say 18,000 and came back to 17,000. So still my mind is in 18,000. Okay, 17,800 put, and it is currently trading at 222.05. So as usual, I am choosing the two nearest Fibonacci number, which is 8 and 5, and so 8 lots of month and 17,800 put, we have to buy it, and 5 lots of current week expiry 17,800 put, we have to sell it for 116.95. so by this way, you can see the break even at 17,904, so which is again almost 75 points. Yeah, 75 points from the current position. The break even is like 70 points from current position. In case if you sell naked put, you will get 116 premium. So almost 3 by 4th place we are covering with the break even, and still, and we are also enjoying the benefit of sell, as well as we are also enjoying the benefit of buy. If market really fall very quick within a month, you can make a huge profit. So but that is one case, but otherwise also still, if market is going little bit up, little bit down, little bit up, down and then down, something like that, even if it stayed in the same place and closed at 17,820 also, we can make a profit around what is this, yeah, around 17,000, 18,000. Okay, and that's the benefit of this strategy for the downtrend. And next, okay, hopefully these two are same, right? Like this is for call, this is for put, just reverse. Okay, and so you might got what I'm trying to explain. And okay, next let's go to the third one, which is like if market, consider like market is in sideways, like you can choose either call trend or down up, downtrend. It's not a big thing, since if market goes ups and downs and come to the same place, still we will be making a profit. I generally even if market goes sideways, I will choose call rather than put. Okay, mostly I will go with this call and have this, and will be waiting in case after entering this position, right? Even if it is a sideways market, after entering this call position and the market shows some kind of reversal, then I will try to switch the position from the call to put to enter for downtrend. Generally for up sideways I keep this, but in case some people like we might need something which is little more safer means, then I have chosen this is nothing much difference, okay, than the previous one. Same thing, choose the two nearest Fibonacci number. I have chosen 5 and 8, and in case of 5, right, so 8 means you have to buy 18,000 17,800 call, 8 lots month end, and you have to sell 5 weekly of 17,800 call. And the same way for put also, 8 lots of month and 17,800 put, and sell 5 lots of 11th November 17,800 put at 116. So by doing this combination, we will be covering almost 400 points in this range. If market goes 200 points up, down, ups, down, plus or minus 200, it doesn't make any problem. And the reason I'm having is, at any point in time, if market shows some kind of reversal, means not reversal, like instead of having up, sideways, if one point you decided it will go uptrend, if it goes uptrend, you can square off this put position alone, this two put position alone, so you will be retaining 8 lot of 13th November 17,800 call at 273, and 11th November weekly 17,800. So this way it will form the similar pattern, so it will set for uptrend. In case after having sideways it goes downtrend, means you can sell the square of the call position and retain only the put position. In this case it will follow like this, so it is easy to switch over from up to down, down to side, side to up, everything you can do. So generally I use this only. If market really rallies upward, then I will set up this, and in case if market moves sideways, then I will change from this position to this position, like holding the four trades. And after, if it is sideways and if it goes down, then I will switch off from this sideways to downtrend. So this way I will do adjustment, and it is successful for me now. So that's what I thought to share, the live trades with you guys all the time. Okay, and that's what I thought to share. So let's hopefully this is today Diwali, you will guys enjoy, and let's see in next video with our live trades, and how it goes and all, and how we are the positions, how we are putting profit, how we are avoiding losses and all, and everything. We can see everything, all live trades done by me. Okay, and yeah, so probably, like please allow me to provide video for next 30 days, and after 30 days you will like what kind I'm trying to explain in easy way. So let's see how it goes. Thanks for watching, and thanks for listening to this video very patiently. Love you all. Happy Diwali. See you all. Bye bye.